Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix a TikTok shadow ban. So if your videos suddenly stop getting views and aren't appearing on the For You page, or your engagement has dropped significantly, then just follow along. First, it's important to know that TikTok doesn't officially confirm the existence of shadow bans. However, your content's reach can be temporarily limited if it violates community guidelines or if TikTok's system detects unusual activity. So you need to start by reviewing your recent videos, and if any content, copyrighted content, misleading information, spam, or anything that may violate TikTok's guidelines, then you need to consider removing or editing them. Next, avoid posting the same video repeatedly or using excessive hashtags, as this can sometimes affect your content's performance. You should also avoid using bots, fake engagement services, or automation tools, since these can negatively impact your account. And if you believe TikTok restricted your account by mistake, then go to Settings and Privacy, tap Report your problem, and contact TikTok support. So that was how to fix a TikTok shadow ban. Please do not forget to like, comment, and